It's the 2nd of Feb. This is Steam Chasers.
And once again, we're up to Cumbria for the Winter Cumbria Mountain Express. This time, double-headed. We'll be seeing Mayflower and British India Line in one day. Let's see how this goes.
I love this. It's just like, right. Jeff, I think we've over-engineered the slip road. Keep building. Well, it's 3 miles long, keep building.
22 on the left to A49, then enter the roundabout.
But the other side's like 3 feet, keep building.
No, not you again. It's about 9 o'clock, isn't it? Focus your git. There we go. It's nearly 10 o'clock. Welcome to Winwick, where the sun's out.
The trains are gone. Turned into Dougal. It just happened.
It went from green to white.
10, 10, 10, no! Yes, Dougal, it's snow. 10, 10! Wow!
It's midday,
And we're on Shap. Look at it.
and it's snowing. For any of you wondering how far we walk in a day, the car is the little black dot in the distance. That one.
What the deuce? What the? Why is he wearing a carpet? Why are you all wearing carpets?
We're all wearing carpets.
Strange people. Safe. Spliffs in a carpet.
Yeah.
That's an album name. Spliffs in a carpet.
This is Coates Hill. If I call it Wakeby, somebody's going to shout at me, aren't they?
No, wait.
Because Wakeby's over there. Wakeby's over there. Right. Hello, welcome to Kirkby Stephen, where there's even more snow. And a big one. And the British India Line. Who still haven't moved.
Next week we can do the Bahamas song. This shit is Bahamas. B-A-H-A-M-A-S. This shit is Bahamas. Yeah. That's how I'm going to do it next week. That's who's on the postcard. What the hell was that? This shit is Bahamas. B-A-H-A-M-A-S.
Steam chasers, still got new culture.